At this moment, never-ceasing endeavors of our team have conducted another successful event in the form of Science and Arts exhibition. The exhibition was adorned with beautiful models and replicas which were meticulously molded by the Parisians. Most of them were working models with a touch of scientific apparatus and analysis. The chief motive of the exhibition was to stimulate and trigger the cognitive capacity among students and inspect their intrinsic potentials. The exhibition was a doorway through which our students could proceed with empirical research and turn hypotheses into the practical ground, and they believed executing in the hall was outcome of their academic studies in the class. The event was presided over by the principal Sayyid Mazhar Ali Shah Rashdi and administrator Dr. Mursaldeen Rashdi, and was visited by a large throng of people from Kandahar and its neighboring towns. Let's contemplate the work done by the students and little chatter with them, and let's see what they have experienced.
This is basically our model, where we have a single project right here, and into this single project we have two different models. The first one is state of the acid rain project, and the second one is state of the irrigation system. So basically in this model right here we are using two different portions. The first one is state of a decoration, where we are showing a village, and second one is the irrigation system, that is showing the working of the system present in this village. So basically what happens in this project is that we are using the irrigation system in the areas where there is a shortage of water, especially in the villages, and the main purpose of this project is to save and conserve the water, also to nourish the plants as well. And here we are using the water. This water is basically going through this large pipe into this small pipes, and these small pipes have holes into them, and through those holes the water is going into the plants, and the plants are being watered through this water, but the excess water as well is being saved into these small containers right here. In this way the water is being given to the plants, and they are grown into the most beautiful plants, and as well the water is being saved, and the excess water is not wasted at all.
Project is called the rain sensor. The rain sensor is actually a sensing device which detects the rainfall and acts accordingly. So in this project, this is our decorated area and this is the working area. So she will show you the working.
So actually we have used a sensor here, and the two wires are connected, negative and the positive wire, which are connected with the battery. This buzzer and this light is also connected with the battery, and the battery that we have used is 9 volts battery. So when the rain falls, the sensor senses the rain, and the buzzer produces the sound, and the light turns on. So the people came to know that it is raining outside.
And this process is very efficient because this consumes very less amount of power, and also it helps in saving the money by switching off this irrigation process. So these both processes are associated with each other.
There is a process electrolysis. What really electrolysis means? Electro means electricity, lysis means breakdown. First of all, we take a container here and we have a solution of salt and water, and we give it electricity. So the chlorine is negative, it is collected on the positive terminal, and the sodium is positive nature, so it is collected on the negative terminal. The chlorine releases or loses its electron which it gets from the natrium sodium, and the electron is given back to the sodium. So sodium comes into its solid form, and the chlorine is in a stable state, it is a gas, so it is collected in the shopper.
This is our project concerned with the conservation of the light energy and the rainwater. So we can explain this is the generating electricity from the rainwater. So in the monsoon areas we can collect the water from the houses, and that water collected in this tank, and this tank flows, this water flows to the 3 tanks. These are such tanks which store the water for the period of time. When this water flows on this turbine, it spins and produces the mechanical energy. When energy is produced and stored in this battery, and battery is charged. During night we can turn on this bulb in need. Okay, sir.
डॉक्टर मोहम्मद मूसा सोलंकी AXMS तालुका हॉस्पिटल कंडियारो। इंतहाई खुशी थी पारस स्कूल विज़िट कंदे ऐं ज़ाहिर कंप्यूटर जो दौर आहे, ऐं हिते अची करे इहो महसूसु कया त वाक़ई पारस हिकिड़ो इदारो आहे, मुहज़िब आहे, ऐं ॿारनि जे हिननि प्रोजेक्ट्स खे ॾिसी करे इहा ख़बर पई त केतिरो उन्हनि जे ॿारनि पारस जे ॿारनि में टैलेंट आहे। ऐं आउं बि ज़ाहिर वालिद आहियां, मुंहिंजा ॿार बि हिते पारस में पढ़नि था। सभ खां वधीक मूंखे ख़ुशी थी आहे त मुंहिंजे ॿारनि बि प्रोजेक्ट्स ठाहिया आहिनि ऐं उहे ॾिठा आहिनि मूं, ऐं उहे ॾिसी करे मूंखे इंतिहाई ख़ुशी थी। ऐं आउं सम्झां थो त जेकॾहिं ॿारनि जी इहा महिनत रही फ्यूचर में इनशाला इहा असांजी फ्यूचर आहिनि ॿार, ऐं ज़ाहिर आहे पारस खे ऐं उनजे इंतिज़ामिया खे स्पेशली प्रिंसिपल साहिबु आहे, साईं मुरसल साहिबु आहे, या उन जेका टीम आहे उनखे आउं एप्रिशिएट थो कयां, ऐं ज़बरदस्त वेरी नाइस, तमामु घणी ख़ुशी थी। ऐं आउं सम्झां थो त जेकॾहिं पारस जी इहा स्पीड रही त इनशाला इन फ्यूचर पारस जा जेके ॿार आहिनि इनशाला कंहिं वॾियुनि पोस्टुनि ते वेंदा। महिरबानी।
अॼोको एग्ज़िबिशन ॾिसी करे ऐं कमेंट्स ॾियणु ॾाढा माना ॾुखिया आहिनि, छाकाणि जो लफ़्ज़ न आहिनि। असां अॻु में सम्झंदा हुआसीं या ॿुधंदा हुआसीं या असांजो पंहिंजो एक्सपीरियंस इहो त कंडियारे में जेकॾहिं बेस्ट क्वालिटी स्कूल आहे त उहो पारस आहे। असां अॻु में सम्झंदा हुआसीं या मां पाण त हिते सिर्फ़ु एजुकेशन आहे, पर हीअ जेका एक्टिविटी असां ॾिठी आहे न त हे त असांजे एक्सपेक्टेशन्स खां तमामु सुठो असांखे कमु मिलियो। ऐं असां दुआ था कयूं त असांजो जेको फ्यूचर आहे इहे सिर्फ़ु पढ़ाई न, पर हीअ जेका असांजी एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटी आहे इन में जेतिरो हिते हिनखे ट्रेंड कयो थो वञे अञा वधीक इनशाला ट्रेंड थींदा। ऐं असांखे पंहिंजे कंडियारे शहर जे सभिनी ॿारनि ते, कंडियारो शहर हुजे या पूरो तालुको कंडियारो, उन ते असांखे अॻु में बि फ़ख़ुरु आहे। ऐं जेके अॻिते वधंदा अहिड़े क़िस्म जी एक्टिविटियूं कंदा त इनशाला अहिड़ो नालो रोशन कंदासीं जो असां वॾी उमिरि जा थींदासीं, पूरा थींदासीं, तब असांखे ख़ुशी थींदी त हीअ ॿार असांजे कंडियारे शहर जा आहिनि जेके हिन मंज़िल ताईं पहुता आहिनि। महिरबानी।